So hello and welcome to all. We are here the student of final year chemical engineering department, SROF SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology. Our team ID is 125828. The topic for our today's presentation is manufacturing of biodiesel from waste cooking oil. And our project is guided by Dr. Alok Gautam, who is the head of department of our chemical engineering department. Starting off with the abstract and the introduction. As you all know that due to very much high increase in the energy consumption and the depletion of petroleum reserves, there are very high oil prices as well as fossil fuel prices that are going up globally. Diminishing petroleum reservoirs are a problem inherent in this type of fossil energy. So it is a very much high requirement to develop an alternative energy source which have a potential to act as an alternative for these fossil fuels. One of such very good option for us is the biodiesel. Uh, the biodiesel that we are going to make is made from a used cooking oil. The used cooking oil is our raw material for production of biodiesel. And in this study, biodiesel was is made from waste cooking oil and methanol using the trans-esterification process with the help of NOH catalyst. As we all know that there are very much challenges in the energy sector due to high utilization of fossil fuels and high increase in the prices of all the fossil fuels that are available in the market. Biodiesel can act as a very good alternative for this fuel as an fuel for various engines as well as the automobiles that are working in the market. So used cooking oil is a potential raw material for making this biodiesel, and it can be easily converted to biodiesel because the chemical composition consists of free fatty acids, and when reacted with alcohol using simple technology, we can yield biodiesel. The process that we are going to use is the trans-esterification process, which is the most commonly used method, which easily reduces the viscosity of oil. This alkali trans-esterification process requires less reaction time with reduced processing cost as compared to enzyme catalyst process. Now my friend Yagnesh will continue.
Our objective in this project is to develop an alternative of fossil fuel because it is now certain that due to increasing demand of fossil fuel, it will deplete in near future. Our other objective is to provide the fuel at a cheaper price and utilize the waste cooking oil in a waste effective manner because it is generally thrown away in environment and which cause the pollution to the environment. Now my colleague Krutika will continue.
So here in the last section, there is a flow sheet of our process, and above which there is a simulation which we are created on the basis of this flow sheet. So in the flow sheet, there is a three feed: alcohol, catalyst, and the waste cooking oil. Our waste cooking oil is our main raw material, and alcohol, we take methanol as an alcohol and NaOH as a catalyst. First of all, we create the mixture of alcohol and the means methanol and the catalyst NaOH, and after the pre-treatment of the waste cooking oil, we send this mixture and the waste cooking oil to the trans-esterification reactor. In this reactor, the reaction takes place at a 65 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After the completion of the reaction, we get two separate layers of a biodiesel and the glycerol. On the basis of a density separation method, we separate these two biodiesel and glycerol. Here we can see the two distillation column in the flow sheet, which are used to remove the extra methanol from the biodiesel and glycerol. After the removal of the methanol, we wash this biodiesel with the help of hot water, and at the end we get a 99% of the pure biodiesel. At the right side of this flow sheet, we can see the three photographs of our experiment, which we have done at a lab base. In the last photograph, there is a conical flask in which there is a white mixture, which is the mixture of alcohol and the catalyst. And in the first photograph, it is the waste cooking oil. And in the second photograph, it is the complete mixture, which is put it onto the magnetic stirrer. And it is the process of a trans-esterification, and it is run for 1 hour. Now, Yagnesh will continue.
what is the advantage of biodiesel over over the conventional fossil fuel? Biodiesel is biodegradable and contain high amount of oxygen. It causes very less pollution and hence it is environment friendly fuel. It reduces the emission of harmful gases like CO2 by 80% and sulfur dioxide by 100%. Other advantages of biofuel is it has a high CTN number which contribute to low inland noise, and it also has higher flash point compared to the diesel fuel. Now my friend Diskit will continue.
We have performed experiment, and after completing the experiment, we have concluded that we can minimize the cost of biodiesel by using waste cooking oil as a feedstock. And before the starting experiment, reduce the high free fatty acid content of waste cooking oil by the pre-treating of waste oil with base catalyst. For this methanol, for this method, methanol is a best alcohol because of its low cost, and also concluded that methanol to oil ratio is depends on amount of free fatty acid. Thank you.